Hi everyone and welcome to the Chef's Kitchen, where Ingles caters some of the best events anywhere. I'm Josh Michael here with Chef Kale, and today we're showing you how to make some amazing food right there at your home. So Chef, what are we doing today?
Today we're going to do a pumpkin polenta with roasted vegetables on top.
Ooh, okay.
I find this is a really cool, fun way to introduce something new at a family event for the holidays.
I love that. All right, now polenta, what exactly is that?
It's almost like grits except a little bit coarser.
Okay, if you say grits, we know what you're talking about.
Exactly, right?
All right, how do we get started?
So to start, we're going to start with our roasted vegetables.
Okay.
In here we have our parsnips, our butternut squash, and the Brussels sprouts.
Excellent.
And
they're whole?
Yeah, whole, especially whole on this one.
Okay.
And you can use any root vegetable that you want. Rutabagas are really good, and so are sweet potatoes.
Okay.
So a little bit of olive oil.
Excellent.
And some salt and pepper.
All right.
And we're just going to throw these right in the oven.
Okay.
About 350 until they're nice and toasty.
So you just put them out on a sheet pan. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
So we'll go ahead and throw those in the oven. Now we're going to start our polenta. And we have our milk and our water already in here. Okay. You want to bring it up. This is exactly like making grits. Get our white polenta. I like to use white when I'm using anything like pumpkin that's going to take on the color.
Okay. All right. Makes sense.
So we have two types of sage here, dried and fresh. If you're going to use a dried herb, you always start it in the beginning of a recipe. If you use a fresh, you always do it at the end.
I didn't learn something new every day.
All right. Still loving the salt and pepper.
Okay.
After it gets to a boil, you're going to knock it down to a simmer. We'll add our pumpkin.
Yeah, and that's just regular canned pumpkin you buy at Ingles.
Exactly.
Okay. All right.
Laura Lynn has a great product there.
Excellent. Stir that up, and it's smelling good too.
Yeah, and it's just a really fun alternative.
Excellent.
We're going to go ahead and throw in our Parmesan cheese.
Nice.
Finish it with some butter.
Always good to have the butter.
Maybe. There we go.
All right.
So, after all of that, our roasted vegetables are going to come out like this.
Nice.
And I like to present my polenta on a big platter.
Oh, nice.
For everyone to love and see.
That looks good.
We'll just throw some of our veggies on top.
Oh my gosh.
Why don't you go ahead and give it a garnish of the fresh sage?
All right, just throw a couple.
So, I mean, I know we always do the green bean casserole, the sweet potato pie.
It's something new for the holidays.
Let's do something real fun and really inventive, and it's gorgeous.
Great job, Chef Kale. Thanks so much for joining us here at the Chef's Kitchen. For more great recipes and to learn about having the Chef's Kitchen cater to your next event, visit thechefskitchen.com. That's thechefskitchen.com. See you next time. That looks so good. Oh man, I'm one of the people that love the smell of Brussels sprouts. Not everyone likes that, but I love it.
Right?
So, looks very, very nice.
Thank you.
Very, very good.